Okay, so a trunk changing station. What do we have in here? We have our changing pad. This was actually a hand-me-down, so it was free to us, which, as you know, we like to be on a budget. Goodies. Okay, we have our diaper wipes, diapers, toilet paper, because you never really know when you're gonna need extra toilet paper. Baby sunscreen, because when we're on the go, we like to go places like the pool, the beach, things. We live in sunny San Diego. There's tons of need for that. Diaper cream, because rashes happen. Hand sanitizer, obviously. We like to carry a brush in here, and a lot of that is because our daughter likes to brush her hair. It helps keep her distracted while she's being changed. She doesn't have much hair, but whatever. We let her play with it. A couple bottles of water to keep us hydrated, and then also a change of clothes for baby, because toddlers like to get messy, whether that's a blowout or running through the sprinklers, whatever the case may be. Always having an extra on hand is fantastic. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is these handy little bags. I love these bags because they keep everything dry inside your diaper bag, or if you're sticking them in the car with a nasty smelly diaper, it helps to keep it from getting into the rest of the car. So that's awesome. My little basket actually came from the dollar store, so another budget buy, and this is just what we do to keep our baby changed on the go.